Drop the tools and step away from the vehicle.
I'm just trying to find my 10mm socket. You got stuck somewhere up in the frame.
All right, castrated converter, 2019 Transit. Drop the subframe for the rack with the rack. Left the power steering lines attached. Swung it around. Drop the subframe for the engine cradle, which we were supporting with a block of wood and a jack stand. Now this looks fun. So, and then that frame bracket crud attaches to that cradle, goes all the way to the front bumper. We had the bumper and all that apart and a radiator out for timing chains that this vehicle needed. But with this cross member down and the engine bracket down, and of course supporting the engine and transmission, the whole drive line, these pipes were able to come down, this Y pipe, one piece assembly, and kind of rotate out, come out. I don't think this would be much fun on the ground. It's not any fun in the air, that's for sure.
I have no idea.
Yeah, they could have, all they had to do was separate this freaking Y pipe right here. Make it a two-piece flange.
Yeah.
That's all they had to do, and this would have been really simple. Do each one individually. But no, you gotta take the whole damn truck apart.
Could have done a flange right here,
Well,
and
that
a
would have
flange
been,
back
that would
there.
have been
Yeah.
nice, but yeah, I wouldn't expect that. Maybe flanged up here, but
Yeah,
not down
sure.
here. But yeah, this is freaking lame. But I think the oil cooler's leaking too.
No, that's from the when I had the chain cover on.
Oh, okay. All right. Hopefully you don't need a cat, but yeah, we opened it up, wherever it is, and sure enough, one, this thing's timing chain was stretched over it. The guts inside here are actually rattling around, and it's 80,000,
89,
89,000 on it.
just past the
Yeah.
9,000 miles past the emissions warranty.
Yeah, the self-destruct button hit as soon as it went out of the emissions warranty.
And how you can tell, like this shield is nice and clean, and this
This one's
shield
nice and purple because it
purple
got
blue
cooked.
because it got so fucking hot.
Because it got cooked. So, and then this is going to smell like crap for about 2 days after it gets started. All that metal. So, I pity the fool who has to do this on their back, but catalytic converter, there you go. Still got to put all this chaos back together.
Yeah.
But have fun, guys. And he's sick.
Hey, dude. Leave no man behind up in the trenches.